Today we're going to look at set number 71768, Jay's Golden Dragon motorbike. We have a very nice picture of Jay on his bike, about to get attacked by these two guys. On the top of the box, we have another picture of Jay fighting a Vengestone warrior. It's a bunch of more legal nonsense. On the back of the box, get your lucky lottery numbers, some more legal nonsense, more reminders to recycle, and telling you Lego is life. Here we have the back of the box, where you can recreate your favorite scene from season 6 of the Ninjago cartoon, where Jay defeats the Golden Wizard and then steals his motorcycle and gaining new powers. Now, I'm going to go put this set together so we can take a look at it. And here we have the finished set. You get a motorcycle and 3 minifigures. There's not much else to this set. The main feature of the motorcycle is that it rolls. Plus, you get a bunch of free weapons. Now we're going to take a look at the minifigures. Now here we have the Jay minifigure. It's a very nice print on the front. He also has these really giant wings to form his armor. Plus he also comes with this nunchuck-like weapon. And he looks really nice. Here we have the Vengestone warrior. There's this very nice front print. This is very nice back printing. Comes with this cool sword, and which in this show we find out used to be Master Wu's former students. And he looks really nice. Here we have the small spider droid that was used to attack Jay in the episode. Overall, it's a pretty nice set. The biggest draw is the minifigures. Probably don't really need the motorcycle, but it's there.